everyone! In today's video, we're looking at Hotel Oaks Early Bird Osaka Morinomiya in Higashiosaka, Japan. Before you book, make sure to use the link or QR code in the description for the safest and best rates. The hotel is located in Higashiosaka, making it a great base for sightseeing. You'll find yourself very close to Osaka Castle and Osaka Castle Park, both just about 1.2 kilometers away. Getting around is easy as Morinomiya Station is only 250 meters away. This puts major areas like Dotonbori and Minami within a reasonable distance via public transport. Stay connected throughout your stay, with free Wi-Fi provided in all guest rooms. You can also access Wi-Fi in the public areas of the hotel. Each room is equipped with a high-quality television, perfect for unwinding after a long day of exploring the city. The rooms are designed for modern comfort and convenience. While there isn't an on-site restaurant mentioned, there is a well-stocked vending machine available. This is perfect for satisfying late-night cravings or grabbing a quick drink. The property maintains high cleanliness scores, with guest rooms being sealed after sanitization. They also offer protective screens in common areas for added safety. The hotel offers contactless check-in and check-out options. This makes your arrival and departure much smoother and more hygienic. Please note that smoking is not allowed in the rooms, and there is no designated smoking area available. This makes it a great choice for non-smokers seeking fresh air. With its focus on convenience and proximity to transit, this hotel is ideal for budget-conscious travelers and city explorers. However, note that pets are not allowed. Based on verified reviews, the hotel scores high for value for money and service. It is a solid 2-star option that prioritizes essential amenities and cleanliness. Overall, this is a practical and clean choice for your Osaka adventure. If this looks like the right fit for you, use the link in the description to book safely. Don't forget to like and subscribe.